Have you ever tried to install a program and seen the Microsoft Start screen? It's actually designed to protect you against unknown programs. But there is a flaw that is out that allows hackers to actually bypass this and potentially install malicious code that can steal your passwords, your browsing history, and your crypto wallet. Coming up next, we'll discuss this threat and how you can protect yourself. Now, there are some critical things that are happening on the cybersecurity front that we do want to go over. So one of those is that there is a new exploit of Windows Smart Screen. It's a Windows Smart Screen flaw that enables data stealing in a major stealing attack. So what this is, this was actually discovered by FortiGuard Labs. And what this does, and by the way, it has, for those that are technical that want to follow the actual CVE number, it has a CVE number of CVE-2024-21412. And Microsoft has a smart screen. You may have seen this smart screen. And so what happens with the smart screen is that you actually, when you're launching a program that's not known, you actually get a window that pops up, and the window actually will tell you, will actually kind of ask you, are you sure that you want to actually click on this? Are you sure you want to load this file? Is this safe? And you have to actually say yes. And it's basically when you have unknown files, this would actually happen. You would actually have this little pop up. So what I'll do, I'll actually go over and show you what that screen looks like. I'll switch over to a full screen for those that are watching on our stream. Of course, you can watch on the stream later, but you'll see an example on the screen of the Windows Smart Screen popping up. Windows protected your PC. It says, hey, this program's unknown, it's unrecognized, we don't know what it is. Do you want to run it anyway? You can click Don't Run, or you can click Run Anyway. Now, by the way, you shouldn't just indiscriminately click Run Anyway. You should know whether you should click Run. You should allow that program to run or not. Is it a safe program to run? If you're not sure, do some research, find out. Or seek some help. We can help you. 772-878-5978 is our number. We can actually do remote support. We can log in. We can see what that error is, or what that message is. We can see what is trying to be installed and determine whether it is safe or not, because some of the things that are out there are not safe, and you definitely do not want to just get out there and install just anything. You want to actually make sure that you're protecting yourself. This program is designed to help protect you. So what happens is there's actually a security bypass that bypasses the smart screen and allows the hackers to inject malicious code into a computer that can then be used to steal passwords, to steal browser history, and to also steal crypto wallet details. So crypto wallet will be with cryptocurrency. I know not everyone's out there is doing it, but some people are doing it. We went over, a few months ago, we went over how to protect yourself from scams after one of our customers lost about $150,000 with a crypto scam, where his money that was in cryptocurrency was actually stolen from him. And definitely we want, and by the way, if you miss those videos, you can watch those on our YouTube channel. But one of the things that, the way this actually works is that there's an initial phishing campaign. So phishing, we're not talking about going fishing for fish. We're talking about where hackers or scammers are phishing to trick you into clicking on a link that launches a malicious code, or trick you into providing, clicking on a link and providing your username and password, or opening an attachment that encrypts your data. So what happens here is that by clicking this, basically an email is sent out that tries to trick you into clicking a link. That link actually has a file that runs in PowerShell. PowerShell is a very powerful program on your computer that most people don't even know is there, but it can be used for good. It can be used to program and to run various commands that would do various things on your computer that are useful. We use PowerShell scripts sometimes for various tasks. Various installations are done by PowerShell scripts sometimes. But one of the things you want to do is make sure that it's a safe PowerShell script. You don't want to have an email that comes in that tricks you into clicking on a link that then launches a malicious PowerShell script. And this all happens by bypassing the smart screen. And then what happens is that there's a malicious payload that is sent to the computer. What that means is that there's a program that's malicious that goes to the computer. And what happens with that program is that program can then steal information. And so that malicious program that goes to the computer is then decoded so that it can actually run, and then it actually starts looking for passwords and also looking for browser history, starts looking for crypto wallet information, and actually is able to send that back to the hackers. Now, the good thing, if you're a regular listener of a Faster PC live technical support, you know that we encourage you regularly to install Microsoft updates. And if you have installed Microsoft updates, you are protected from this threat. So you want to actually go out there, make sure you've installed your Windows updates, and we have videos. In fact, if you go to our YouTube channel, we have a video how to make sure that you're protected from these 143 threats. You can actually go out there. We'll link to that video in the description of this video, and also we'll actually include it in the end screen as well, so that you can see how to install the Windows updates. Because if you install the Windows updates, you are protected from this threat. So definitely get out there, install the updates, and pay attention when you see the smart screen popping up, and also make sure you're installing the updates so that nothing can bypass that smart screen protection. If you want to learn how to install Windows updates to protect yourself against this threat, watch this video. And remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to be notified when we release new videos. And remember, when you have computer problems, you need a faster PC.